Okay, hello people, how are you doing? Once again, I welcome you back to our computer lesson for grade 6. Hope you know the name Sir Collins Yaro 1, simply Yaro 1 or Sir Collins. Okay, now remember our previous lesson, what we learned. I hope you've not forgotten. If you have, please go back by clicking the notes level. Okay, just tap the notes, select grade 6 and revise through whatever is there. Okay, then you can continue here. Continue here, the child's account, how to create user account in Windows 10. We learned a lot, right? Then after scrolling through and learning everything with 8 pictures correctly, you just scroll through, finish everything to the 6 point here, then go to the continue B here. So continue B, you learn whatever is there. Okay, and watch the video as well to understand these simple demonstrations we are doing. Okay, so we go to continue C. If you haven't joined our WhatsApp group, take note, it's very important, join the WhatsApp group. So we look at how to restore files from the recycle bin. We look at the steps. Later I made a small demonstration here. So, and also if you haven't subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly do so. It will help you out to get new videos we upload all the time. Okay, so if you are watching from the PC, just click here. Okay, when you tap here like this, you just hover it around, you see the subscription button there, just click on it to subscribe. Or if you are watching us on mobile phone also as well, you can subscribe by pressing the side to send it straight to our YouTube link for you to subscribe there. And also make sure you join our WhatsApp group, very important, because most of the things I pasted there, I just publish it there for you to see the new update on most of our content. Okay. Sorry, today looks like the weather isn't helping us, even though it's actually drizzling around here. So we just ignore it. Now let's move on. So as I said, join our official WhatsApp group here. Okay, now let's continue. Now the use of the copy, paste, delete tools, the moving of folders by using the desktop pop-up menu. So this is what we are looking at today. So read through it. If you can't read, let me help you through the reading. The desktop pop-up menu is practically the same as the right click or content menu. Okay, when I finish, I'll show you a demonstration. So let me say the desktop pop-up menu, or the desktop pop-up menu is just like the right click or content menu. Doesn't change anything. Why? Because when you click on a desktop, you use the right click button to click. Okay, you use the right click button to show that content menu, right? For instance, close this one. For instance, when I right click here, this is a desktop pop-up menu. Okay, that's the same as the content menu, right? Same as the content menu you see. So when I right click, you see whatever is there, that's the content menu. So I right click to get this menu or this content menu. Okay, so let's move on. Now the right click menu or the content menu is the menu which appears when you right click on the desktop or a folder or file in Windows. So I just made a demonstration for you to see. This menu gives you added functionality by offering you actions you can take with the item. Okay, so for instance, when you open this JPEG file here or this CorelDRAW file here, it gives us the pop-up menu to show us more additional functionality we need to do with this particular thing, which is the CorelDRAW shortcut. Okay, so you can see we can just rename it, delete it, copy it, cut it, send it to somewhere we want to send it, we troubleshoot it, we compress it, blah 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 blah. We open a file location where we can find it, So you have the properties, all these things. These are the content menu that is showing what actually is found within this CorelDRAW. Okay, but this is actually the Windows default content menu. So some of them, they also come with additional functionality. Some of the programs come with additional functionality, like things like this one. You can see this one when I launched the Grammarly, it has different thing here altogether, right? Run as administrator, which the CorelDRAW wasn't also having. Okay, so that is how it is. Let's continue, my friends. Most programs like to start their commands in this menu. So when you say start their commands in this menu, meaning they like to put so many commands in the content menu, so that you just right click to show all the content or the commands in it. Okay, most of the programs in Microsoft Word, if a text is highlighted and then right click, a shortcut menu appears. Okay, so let's launch our Microsoft Word and see a demonstration of it. So this, let's say I type the word, the text, welcome to professorgh.com. So that's the text I just typed. Okay, so when I right click the text, left click the text like that, when I select the text with using the left click and I right click it this way, you can see this content menu here. You have the cut, copy, the paste of the text. Maybe I've already copied something already, right? So you have these things here. Okay, right, so these are the content menu to this text. So it's giving us the opportunity to cut the text, to copy the text, and you have the font properties, the paragraph properties, the define properties. You have the synonyms. Okay, we have the translate, search with Bing, hyperlink, and new content to this. Only this short thing we have there. Okay, now let's continue. This shortcut menu gives you quick access to all the most features that relate to text, such as copy, cut, font properties. That's what I just showed you, right? Okay, let's move on. How to copy and paste text on a desktop or laptop computer using the pop-up menu. So let's look at the steps involved, or let's quickly go through this simple activity. Now, copying text, steps involved in the process are as follows. Now, highlight or select the text you want to copy. Now, alternatively, you must right click the selected text you want to copy. So that's what we just did. So let me launch the Microsoft Word again. So it said highlight, so it has been highlighted. You right click it and do justice to it. So you just copy it. When we copy, remember there's something you need to know. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy the text you have selected. So let me launch the on-screen keyboard again for you to see. Right, so I've launched the on-screen keyboard. Now let me launch the Microsoft Word again. So when I down press the Control key, you see that it will be pressed. When I down press, make sure you down press it, meaning you don't take off your hands till you finish the process. So the text is the text that's already I've highlighted it. Then I'll down press. So when I down press, you can see from the screen that that's highlighted the control buttons. Okay, then I'll use the shortcut key C. I'll press the C. So C. When I finish, it goes off. So I've already copied it, right? Okay, let's move on. Now we've copied it. So now remember, we've copied, but it is found at a place called the clipboard. The clipboard is not shown. It's invisible to the desktop or to the eye. So you just work as you are working. If you copy anything, it sends to the clipboard, which is not shown to the eye. Okay, so let's look at the pasting text. Note that once the above steps have been completed, the text is moved into a temporal area known as the clipboard. Note now Now to paste the text from the clipboard, follow the steps. So let's look at the steps we are going to use. So remember I copied this text, right? So you want to paste this thing. So let's follow the steps that will be taught. Move the cursor to where you want to paste. You want to paste the text. Okay, you want to paste the text, and right click the mouse button to display the content menu or pop-up menu. Okay, so you move the text, you move it there. Okay, so let's launch this one. First I want to paste it in the notepad, so I just launch it and right click here. Okay, and paste it there. You can see it is there, so I've pasted it. As simple as that. Okay, now I say scroll through the content menu and select paste. So just saw what I just did. So I scroll through the content menu and selected what? Paste, and paste. To paste the text from the select clipboard. Okay, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl V to perform this operation. So let's look at the shortcut as well. Let's look at the shortcut. Let's look at the shortcut. You want to also use the shortcut to perform this operation. Let's launch the on-screen keyboard. So I'll press my Ctrl then V. Okay, so there it is. Okay, very good. So that is it for today. If you enjoyed the lesson, kindly leave your comments below. We hope to hear from you soon, and all the best to you all. God bless you all for always staying with us. Please, you know what to do. Join our official WhatsApp group and also subscribe to this our wonderful YouTube channel. Don't forget, you can also take through our entertainment segment. You have the TV hub, the stories hub, and the movies hub. Okay, thank you very much all of you for staying with us. God bless you all. I'm out.